Deep Learning Model 4 year 2005 to 2030. So in this I will tell you about my learning in this model. So in mapping your weight I do not learn anything.
In what, sorry?
In mapping your weight chapter.
Mapping your ways.
Yes.
Which chapter is that?
Chapter 8.
Acha. Okay.
Chapter 8 in class 5.
Okay.
I do not learn.
Okay.
And then both I learn about tube, how to make tube, and I learn about floor mat. So should I do the tuition or I tell the whole presentation?
What else you have in your presentation?
Yeah, all chapter learning.
All chapters.
Learning.
Chapter wise you have?
What chapter like?
You present the way you feel, you should present.
Okay. Yes. Where is the dot? Dot is hiding from art. Yes. Where is the boot? Where is the boot? Boot is hiding.
Here too.
Oh, it is in there. I see it.
This is my Hindi.
उल्टा कौन पढ़ता है?
तो उल्टी ही तो है. मैंने ये थी उल्टा डाला है.
Wait, is this book ये क्या आपकी गलती से फटी है? That's true. So you have to be recover. Otherwise you will pay. That rule will apply on you. Because it is not good. I just throwing the book. That's why it is.
पहले ही थोड़ी फटी हुई थी.
मैंने भी यूज की है. ऐसा नहीं होता है.
After that somebody else had you then.
क्या लना गोपाल
दोबा
लना कार्तिक and लना गोविंद
they use तो मैंने लिखी तब फटी.
I don't think लना कार्तिक is.
Yeah, so that you I put it in this. Yes. So in chapter 8 and chapter.
How many chapters you completed this model?
Chapter 8 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chapter 8 1, chapter 9 2, chapter 10 3, chapter 11 4, chapter 12 5, chapter 7. 7. Yeah. In 7 chapters and from 2 chapters, I see the question, but I do not find any hard question. That I face difficulty to complete it. So 2 chapters I do not find any. I will start from chapter 10.
So let me get it clear. This module you started from which chapter?
Chapter 8.
Chapter 8, right? What is the name of that chapter?
Mapping your weight.
Mapping your way. Which you said, what did you say here?
I don't learn anything.
You don't learn anything?
Yeah.
Okay, but does it mean that there are no exercises?
They are questions like the way about weight. About weight.
Okay, so do I do a something else? No, you had to select, right?
नहीं अभी नहीं पहले करना है.
I selected if I find it, but I do not find any hard to find that.
That's okay. Didi also must have. She was saying that so many chapters were so easy for her.
Read that chapter is 10.
5.8 you started. 5.8, right?
That's right. 5.8.
Means chapter 8.
Yes, chapter 8.
Oh,
Yes, I use it.
Before I find Opa's pen, I give.
These are about mapping the weight. To measure the weight which way are there and measure the area, how much kilometer is now. So I can take
You had selected an exercise from here.
in this I do not find any hard to it.
Not about you finding hard. There are exercises.
Yeah, they are.
Okay. Select one. Go ahead with it. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm going to do, I think, you don't give me a treat. No, I think.
So you had not selected. आपने मुझे बोला था आपने ऊपर से select किया था.
I do not select for it.
Not for this chapter.
Yes. I can take from there. Wait, this one. Because in this all I had only 5 with this one.
This one,
Come,
no, this
come
one.
hard. Come
This
this
one,
one.
this one.
This one. But I will do. And that me in the north of the little team.
No,
And they
the
travel
fairy
towards
one.
Koto. With that the cross. So I have to see them.
Mama,
Delhi is there.
before I
Travel
was
town.
not scaring doggies.
You're not scaring doggies.
No.
Doggies were scaring you.
Travel towards.
When I was going to the park,
The direction is this one.
Yes.
Then, right.
oh no, मुझे वो देखना है. Oh no.
Oh.
Yes.
Right clearly.
Yeah. Okay.
I know.
Dambu.
And then what should we do?
Not.
I am trying. I don't want to. I don't like it when I get angry at you.
इस बच्चा का नाम क्या है?
But sometimes you fall the milk, or you throw the milk on top of me. So then I don't like it. Yeah. So what to do? What should I do? What is your last chapter for today?
That chapter.
12.
How big and how heavy.
No, that also you are doing today?
No, how much I can do.
You done all the chapters? You had said last chapter you have not done.
I had done
3 chapters.
3 chapter in 39. मैं 3 थे और मैं बार 3 notebook. Chapter notebook. See.
हाँ बाबा.
And to draw. तो ये सब मैं तो देखते बताना है. You give me the book.
Yes.
I'm playing the book. It's about to see.
Yes.
From the boot that
It's
we
a book.
out.
Yes.
Okay, let's do the boot. Take it. Chandigarh, Punjab से हरियाणा को.
But
Chandigarh,
presentation
Punjab, Haryana.
look.
They draw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shape of the
And they draw Punjab and Chandigarh. नहीं Chandigarh तो तो MP. मध्य प्रदेश. They draw two. MP. Not MP. It is
Where is Jammu and Kashmir?
Haryana. Jammu is Kashmir is this.
Yeah.
Haryana.
Punjab and Haryana.
What are you writing as answer?
The Punjab and Haryana.
Punjab and Haryana.
Yes.
And from there I will reach Jammu and Kashmir.
No, from Jammu Kashmir we will reach to Delhi.
Acha, you are trying to reach to Delhi.
Yeah. So I have to draw
What about this point? Can I go directly from here to Punjab, or will I have to go from another way?
we can go directly Punjab.
Are you sure?
And per here I think you can go to Punjab.
But what if
What if
they don't touch each other?
What if they don't touch each other?
Yes.
So they will not.
Is there any alternative road?
Yes. From Jammu Kashmir they then go to Himachal Pradesh, then they then go Haryana, they are connected and then they then go to
And
Delhi.
any other alternative shorter way?
I think no.
Are you sure?
One way to go to Punjab. One way to go to Punjab and one way to go to from Himachal Pradesh.
Fine.
From Himachal Pradesh.
Wait, Veera, let's take out this route.
From Himachal Pradesh. And there is one different way also.
That is what?
Long way.
Okay.
They can go from Jammu Kashmir.
Now let's do south.
South.
South you have to do also.
I had done south till I said. Means Jammu Kashmir से they south जाते हैं तो he have to cross Punjab and Haryana.
Jammu and Kashmir is to the north of Delhi. So the team from there travels towards south to reach Delhi. Okay,
Yeah.
which state is crosses?
By right, Punjab and Haryana.
All right. Sun rises from which side?
From where is it?
From which side the sun rises?
You have feel I think difficult on this chapter. You are asking to me which side is this, which side is this.
क्या उसला
हाँ थोड़ा वही क्वेश्चन पढ़ दो.
मैं उससे लिए नहीं पूछ रहा था I was asking for the one
I've asked one question.
Yeah.
Can you answer that?
that's for sunrise from it rises from I think west.
And which side it sets?
I think it is. Yeah, I know it.
What you know?
I know nothing.
You know nothing.
I know, but I
Mhm.
yeah.
You'll have to redo this chapter.
Yeah, no to sunlight, sunrise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's a basic question. That if here they are asking you a word towards west, east, south, and north, so
It
before
is from
that
the map.
we should know about
With I did it and with I did not and with I did
that
west.
will be. एक minute. Let's see. If it says Nonu lives in Gujarat and Nonu's friend Javed lives in the West Bengal.
Yeah.
Nonu wants to visit his friend. Which direction he will have to travel?
Yeah.
Towards west, east, south, or north?
This will chapter I will answer from the map.
You know where Gujarat is in the map?
It is I think north.
North side. And where is West Bengal?
It is I think south. North, south.
So you are saying that he will have to go south.
Yeah. But I think it can be no. West Bengal is I think in the east side. The West Bengal. West Bengal is from east side.
Yes.
And
They
West
are going from where?
Gujarat.
They are doing some dance. Like Kalari Payatu. ये Kalari Payatu. How Gujarat is so? How you will have to go towards west, east, south, or east?
Yeah.
Okay. So from where to where? Can you show
From-
me with your finger?
Okay. Where is the Gujarat?
You tell me.
Tell me. Gujarat. Gujarat. Here is Gujarat.
Okay.
Gujarat is I think west. It is not. So you have to cross Madhya Pradesh and you have to cross.
So that is not the question. The question is, with the finger, mark a line.
From here, yes, straight line.
Okay, so then the answer is what?
Towards east.
Okay. So why looking a map, you know where east, west, north, south is?
Yes.
Can you show me?
And the south is here,
Okay.
east is here,
Okay.
north is up,
Okay.
and this is west.
Okay.
So I can
Oh, it
tell
is written?
Yeah, written.
Okay.
So I so it can see in the map. This side is west,
Uh-huh.
and this side is north, and this side is east, and this side is south.
True or right?
And you do it wrong. I think south is the opposite north.
Yes. That's correct.
And east the opposite west. No.
Yes. That's correct.
So if I find south and east one, then I can find west and north.
Yes. That's true. So what is your conclusion?
Conclusion that
I'm not concluding.
what conclusion can be here? What conclusion can be? What?
क्या यहाँ पैसा सॉरी जब यहाँ आप रख रहे थे तो क्या आपको 2 सिक्के मिले थे
नहीं
10 रुपए के कॉइन
नहीं
Did you find the coin?
5 rupees to 10 rupees.
10 rupees
मैं चूड़ा से उसमें लेता
इसमें
चूड़ा से डोंटी
डोलची में
Gulchi? What is Gulchi?
No, he had taken some money. So I see 2 5 rupees.
You mean here in the center?
Taking the party.
In the chalky?
Yeah. I see 2 10 rupees.
There? 2 10 rupees.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
When?
Where?
Before I can tell 2 3 days.
2-3 days ago. आपकी बात कब की है?
2-3 नहीं आज
No, I do not. Okay.
आज की बात.
I don't.
Because Kamira has been playing with my coins. So, and she took the wallet, she took it outside, and yes,
That wallet.
हाँ, my wallet. चौकी में उसका खिला था, but I don't know. Okay.
And the conclusion is that I don't know the basic. I have to know the basic.
Okay. And what are you going to do for it?
Heard about it.
Okay. Where?
Ask somebody.
Okay. Don't worry, 7 seconds.
Look carefully and answer. Look carefully.
Okay, this is Ashi's classroom. Which of these is exactly opposite to the blackboard?
Now,
The almirah, the window, the notice board, or
display
the
board.
What happened?
Which of this is opposite the blackboard? Where is
This blackboard is display board.
this? Okay. Now look at the school map again. Guess and mark where would it be? Blackboard is 3 and
3A and 4. No 5 5. See, I can tell you here. 3.
this is this drawing, you know?
No, this is the floor. This is the map.
हाँ. क्या हुआ?
Yes. Drone, I was reading drone. Yes. So blackboard in 3A is I can say 3A. So in that map, black window is there. Here is the window. Window is there. So Okay, blackboard is here.
Okay.
Blackboard is here. And then almari in 4th and 10th. In 4th almari would be the door is here. And then window. Then here's the almari. Here's the almari.
Almira.
Yeah, almira. Notice going want to be
Where did you say the Almira of class 4, no?
Yeah,
Where is the Almira?
here.
Oh, you have already drawn it there?
Yes. Notice both in B and VIB. So in VIB, notice both
Okay,
is
now let's go to see. Can a child sitting in 3A see the playground?
yet.
But
Yet he can. No. He cannot T.
You cannot see.
No, he cannot T.
Where is the playground?
Playground is here,
Acha.
and he is sitting here.
Ah.
Yeah, so this
Okay, next chapter.
in this chapter, when I find okay, when I thought about it in the chapter,
हाँ हाँ उनका बॉल गिर गया. Their ball has fallen down.
in this, I also in this you can see I do not find any all difficult thing. But I think I find one difficult thing to make this floor mat in real floor.
Yes, I had asked you to do something like that, right?
Yeah. There is a basic floor mat, 2D floor mat. This has convert into it in 3D floor mat.
Yeah.
I think this is a big tool.
Gopal. After this your deep learning presentation, please check your all notebook, pen, checklist, pages, जो भी है बैग में डालो.
पहले हमारी नोटबुक तक कर लीजिए.
हम वो उसको निकाल के ब्रांच पे रखें, बाकी सारी जितनी हैं सब बैग में डालें.
So you are going to attempt to draw this, but you are going to copy it.
Yeah. I already draw.
My notebook. Thanks.
There is a basic floor mat. This.
So you are taking the 2D picture, right?
Yes.
From the 2D you are going to do the 3D.
Yes.
Okay, so now you are copying 2D.
Yes.
Okay.
इतनी विंडो कौन से घर में होती है? नहीं विंडो घर में बनाते रहते हैं. उसके लिए थोड़ा हमें क्यों बनते
Then
हैं?
they can see the sunrise and sunset.
Because they want to make question.
Okay. So first I have to make a tube. Then I can make.
Meantime, can I have the book?
You can work.
Oh my goodness.
Repair it. How I can draw floor, a 3D floor man in it. I don't know how to make Tartula that.
देखो ना उसको मिल गया. He was able to do something in the stage and he got the ball.
Then if she may want to see the floor map or floor map. Yeah. How can I draw this floor map? This floor map is that. See
So
this floor map.
think that you are in a plane
Yes.
and you see this shape.
Yes.
You see this shape.
Yes.
Now this shape it's a house.
Yeah.
So how are you going to give it the form?
How I can make
This is the helicopter view.
Yeah.
Now you have to do the human view. view, like if you are going to the guest view, like you are going as a guest and you are going to see that house.
हमारे नहीं यार एक तो कैसे बनाए मतलब तो मेरे तो इसमें धीरे करके बनाना पड़ेगा.
So that will be important. This shape is important. You have to use that shape as well.
I can make shape like that, but I have to make 3D.
Yes.
That's why it is a problem.
So if you want, you take as a base a rectangle and then a 2D rectangle and then a 3D rectangle.
I don't know how to make 3D.
And see, that is basic part of it. Without knowing how to do of the simple shapes.
Wait, I know one thing how to do 3D shape.
बच्चे का बॉल
3D.
यहाँ पे कैसे गिर गया?
देखो ना, बच्चे खेल रहे थे, गिर गया था अंदर.
तब क्या हुआ था?
तब सब लोग परेशान हो गए, अरे हमारा बॉल गिर गया. तो ये सेज आया, वो बोला I can get you back your ball. And so he did something.
See, it is a 3D rectangle. It is 3D
What he
rectangle.
did?
More or less. Rectangle or square.
It is 3D rectangle.
What he did?
It looks more like a square 3D.
Yeah, it looks like a 3D, but I made from 2 rectangles.
What he did?
Yes. It is more or less the 3D rectangle.
Okay, and then
Then I have to edit it rectangle. Then how I make the 3D shape. In the book they made.
That's it?
yeah.
The seeds.
Then if I see the book, I will like that. Not like that.
But that is why everything looks easy if you are looking at the answer. He said, I will bring your ball out with blades of grass. And Dronacharya with his skill soon had the ball out. So see,
तब क्या हुआ? बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं?
oh, they are saying, wow, what you have done is wonderful. Who are you? And they said, go and tell your grandfather Bhishma what you have seen and he will tell you who I am.
One point मिल गया. पकड़ लिया. आपके बेंच पे.
तो हमारे बेंच पे मिल रहा है. हमने ये मत सोचने लगे कि I told you.
नहीं मैंने ऐसा नहीं सोचा. वो आप चेक कर रहे होंगे ना नोटबुक, तो वो उधर ही गिर गया होगा.
हाँ.
तब क्या हुआ?
This is
Then they will tell grandfather and ask
समझ ही
him.
नहीं आया.
Something you need to practice and it will be fun. And they asked him, who is it? So he said, oh, that only Dronacharya can do. So he went to Dronacharya, the grandfather, and he said, can you be the teacher for my children, for my grandchildren? And he said, yes, of course. Please stay. He said, the grandfather said, please come and stay here. And he gave him a place to stay. And he said, see, these are the students. Now you will be teachers. So he started teaching them.
Where's the ball?
Oh, the ball now they are not using it anymore. Because that was when they were playing. And now they are talking and then they are starting their classes.
This is I think I made it.
So Arjuna was a very good
सेकंड
student.
में मिला आप ही के बेंच पे.
You are planning to complain and play.
Sorry.
You are planning to complain and play.
मुझको यहाँ पे क्या हुआ?
इसका मतलब मेरा गोल नोटबुक ही आपके इधर उधर होगा.
He is saying, I am a Eklavya.
Yes,
I want
yes,
to
he
become
is.
a student.
See, mama.
But he said, no, I cannot teach you. You completed?
I tried.
So is this a 2D or 3D?
I don't know.
It looks like a 2D. Okay.
मैं आपकी नोटबुक साइन कर देती हूँ. ठीक है?
Now, what we are going to write here is that we need to do, this is boxes and sketches, right?
Yes.
Okay, we need to practice 3D. Even if it is for fun. So much fun doing 3D. Okay. Okay, may I have the book?
Wait for a minute.
But then how will I advance? Time is passing.
एक गोल नोटबुक आपके बेंच पे मेरे क्या पड़ी है?
Please take my notebook.
वाली नोटबुक उठाई, वो मेरी वो नोटबुक निकली।
आप ही नहीं तो लगता you are put in, I do not put it, so you can take it. How should I tell one thing? Email required.
What is this question number 3?
So question number is, how many cubes are need to make an interactive model? There are some drawing of the model. Mark the top one drawing it. Means question is, they have divided interactive model in 3D. And you have to see A, B, C, D. You have to see in 2D. Which one is correct? It is that way.
अच्छा, so which one is correct?
When they have to see atom drawing of this model.
यहाँ पर क्या हुआ?
भाई साहब आप लोग बहुत सीरियस मूड में लग रहा है, सब चल रहा है ठीक ठाक? चलिए, मेरे दिमाग में क्वेश्चन चल रहा है प्रैक्टिकल रोशनी पिरामिड का 3rd लेवल का केस स्टडी मिल गया, रियल लाइफ केस स्टडी। पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, उसको एप्लीकेशन को जिंदगी में अप्लाई करना है। क्यों लर्नर्स 5 मिनट का जरा ध्यान रखिए, पेन कॉपी सब वहीं छोड़ दीजिए। तो मैं इनको बोल दे, आप प्रश्न कीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। 4 बजे की बात है, आप भी थी यहाँ पे और लर्नर ये भी थे। तो मैडम ने कहा कि मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस है क्योंकि काम अभी काफी सारी बाकी हैं। तो स्ट्रेस क्यों हुआ मैडम को? मैडम यहाँ लाइफ एग्जांपल आपके सामने है, बट आपको लगाना है रोशनी के प्रिंसिपल्स।
मतलब अपने हिसाब से आंसर देना।
हाँ, अपने हिसाब से आंसर देना है, यही तो एप्लीकेशन प्रैक्टिकल। अच्छा, रिकॉर्ड करना है? रिकॉर्ड चल रहा है? अच्छा, रिकॉर्ड तो हो रहा है सर, रिकॉर्ड चल रहा है इसमें। हाँ हाँ, ठीक है, इसी में कर लेंगे 2 मिनट तब तक। वो 2 मिनट में क्लिक कर देंगे।
नहीं वो अभी
हाँ, आपका चल रहा है 2 मिनट और 5 मिनट पॉज ले लीजिए सर जी, ठीक है? ये थोड़ा सा ब्रेक आप लोगों का हेडेक भी हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा। हाँ जी,
Because at 5 o'clock.
अरे 5 केवल इसी। तो चलिए, इसको सोचना है, मैं बता दूं क्यों हो रहा है। चलिए बताएंगे आप लोग, चलिए सोचिएगा। मैंने इसलिए कहा मैं भूल जाऊंगा ना।
They do not use the 2.47.
हाँ, कर्मण्ये वाधिकारस्ते, कर्म हमारे हाथ में है।
फल हमारे हाथ।
माँ फलेषु कदाचन, फल की चिंता नहीं करनी है, फल हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, ठीक है? माँ कर्म फल हेतुर्भूर्मा, फल के लिए काम नहीं करना है। माँ कर्म फल हेतुर्भूर्मा ते संगोस्ति कर्मणि, और फिर अकर्म में भी संलग्न नहीं होना है। इसमें और इंटरेस्टिंग है, तो डीप लेवल 1 की बात हो गई, थोड़ा और गहराई में जाइए, थोड़ा सा सुनिएगा। कर्मण्ये वाधिकारस्ते, कर्म आपके हाथ में है। कर्म कब कर पाएंगी? जब बॉडी में ताकत होगी तभी तो कर्म कर पाएंगी। मन में जब ताकत होगी, माइंड में, तभी तो कर पाएंगी। बॉडी नहीं कर पा रही है, रेस्ट कीजिए। अप्लाइज टू यू ऑल लर्नर्स। माइंड नहीं कर पा रहा है, दूसरा काम कीजिए, कम ताकत वाला काम कीजिए, वो भी नहीं कर पा रहा है, रेस्ट कीजिए। कर्मण्ये वाधिकारस्ते, कर्म आपके हाथ में, और कर्म कब कर पाएंगे? कर्म इस माया की चीज है, कर्म कब कर पाएंगे? जब बॉडी माइंड कर सकता है। तो बॉडी माइंड का ख्याल रखना है। कर्मण्ये वाधिकारस्ते माँ फलेषु कदाचन, इसमें फल आपके हाथ में नहीं है। माँ कर्म फल हेतुर्भूर्मा, फल के लिए कर्म मत कीजिए, अपने ड्यूटीज के लिए कीजिए। लेकिन ध्यान रहे, ड्यूटीज कब निभा पाएंगी? जब बॉडी माइंड ठीक रहेगा तभी तो निभा पाएंगी, ठीक है? यही बताना हो गया। थैंक यू फॉर हाँ, ठीक है, थैंक यू।
नीचे कर दीजिए।
और इसी की प्रैक्टिस करनी है, और ये सालों साल प्रैक्टिस चलेगी, तब होगा। हम भी प्रयास चल रहा है।
Even एक तरह in the last paper.
यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? क्या?
Mira, let's go to your temple. You want to go? Let's go to your temple.
Wow.
correct answer in that.
C is the correct answer.
Yeah, I will tell you how. Want to know how?
Yes, okay.
So do you want to set T? This is the intestine model. So T. So first is like this. Yeah, that's not here.
Can you go and pick it up? With all your chappals are properly in the shoe rack.
Like this, like this.
Yes, yes. Go
And
and
then
get
see,
us.
they like one like this, and then this like this, this like this, and then this like this, and then like this, then like this. So this is T. Yeah. So I do too much tension on this. There I mark one question.
Okay.
I will do that. This one. During this question I was very confused. But then when I see the video, I understand the system. System is I get confused in that. This. In this, which line is London, T or D? In this, you will tell. I'm only. Which line is between T or D?
You did this recently, huh?
Yeah. Which line is between T or D? D.
You are asking me. Why you are asking me?
I'm only asking you. T or D? Which are big?
I really walk where?
With.
गोपाल भैया स्किल तक मैंने नोटबुक चेक कर ली है बाकी सारे में आपका 0 ही है बाकी का आपको चेक करते हैं ओके
Really, that if you T and D both are same. Both are same.
You have a ruler?
It is the yeah. Both are same. As well, he said the both are same. He said the both are same. I am not saying that both are same.
So you are saying answer of this, but tell me the answer of A and B.
Both are same.
A and B, yes. I agree.
Then made a bit the ruler. That's
Ready?
nice. Made a ruler.
0. This is 3.2.
Yes. And this is 3
You are right.
yeah.
My finger is not a good measurement tool. That is the correct answer.
These are the correct, but why our eyes are confused? One is horizontal and one is vertical. So both are area is same, but horizontal and vertical की वजह से if a new person will see, he will see if we don't measure, he will see T is bigger. But really both are same.
Yes, but the conclusion actually is that we have to use this to
Ruler.
be able to have a correct answer. Because this one will look bigger, but actually these clearly are same. Because they start and end.
हम लोग अपने
the same.
आँखों देखते हैं इस क्वेश्चन में रूलर था तो यूने इसे
Our
our
eyes
eye
get
that confused.
Okay.
So in chapter 10 I find it. So I can move to chapter 11 or you have to do any section in that chapter.
Okay, can you draw a glass 11 centimeter high with water up to 5
हम
centimeters?
लोग कैसे करना है? I have to do that.
Sorry?
I will do a measure with
You
you.
have to do with ruler.
I
You
do
have to do perfectly.
How much is it? Centimeter?
11 centimeter high with water up to 5 centimeters.
मतलब 1-2 मिलीमीटर तो डिफरेंस हो सकता है.
You have to try to do it without millimeter differences.
थम मतलब एक डॉट की तरह निकले थम डिफरेंस हो जाता है. This is the yes. And how much high I have to be from 13 to by high from 13 This is the glass.
This is a glass of
11 centimeter and 5 millimeter. 5 centimeter. I try to make it perfect.
okay.
digit 5. And get this.
And egg costs 2.5 rupees.
Yes. Yes.
How much will 1.5 dozen cost?
It is
तो अभी
simple.
तक तो याद है.
It is simple.
तो अभी तक
18
याद है.
multiplied by 2.50.
Ah,
But
Okay.
this is difficult.
Why?
Because they point आ रहा था. तो
Is
अच्छा
it
नहीं
easy?
तो पर फिर मैं तब क्लासेस देती हूँ when I teach Sumaya Didi how you do it. Then I understand how to do. When I see that, I will tell you. How much is 2.50? So in that, what we can do? 0 multiplied by 8 is 0. No, I have to go up to do it. So how much is 18 multiply 2.50? So 0 is the 0, 0 1 the 0, 1 0 here, 5 8 5 the 40. तो 40 the 0, 0 4 तैरी ऊपर 5 under 5, 5 under 5. So if you find 5 under 5, 5 under 5, 4 9, 9. So 1 0 here, 8 to the 13, 1 tally, 2 under 2, 3. I plus this 0 0 9 9 and 3 and 4 7 9 0. Wait, I take another thought. Is it more?
What's the time?
Time is, I'll tell you the time. Time is 5:51.
Okay.
Yes.
Continue. But it shouldn't be understandable, okay?
Yes, it should be under it. It will be under it. 8 is 0 under 0. No, 8 may be नहीं हो सकती. Zero 5 8 5 the 40 0 4 5 under 5 5 5 9 9 0 8 to the 16 the 1 tally 2 under 2 4 will be 0 and 9 for 30 rupees 50 paisa.
Okay. Much will 1.5? So this is 18 multiplied by
2.50.
2.5. Okay. 2.5 multiplied by
Drawn.
हाँ.
तो दस ही तो टाइम दे तो ये 30 रुपए से ज़्यादा ही होता है.
2.5.
Why I think the multiplication I had done correctly, I do not put it. What I can do in this way. In this I can do like multiply by 250.
But you should not have removed it because then we could have found where that the multiplication went wrong.
Wait.
है ना?
To do fast. Really. 18 multiplied by मैंने अभी पॉइंट हटा दिया है. 0 था 0 0 0 0 फिर 0 था 0 इधर फिर 5 8 8 5 40 0 4 तैरी फिर 5 under 5 9 plus 8 to the 16 0 16 to 6 2 double 0 with that one I had only 1 0. I have to add 2 0. 2 0 then 8 to the 15 15 the 10 and 1 tally 2 under 2 3 0 0 0 0 and 9 to the 15 15 the 5 1 tally 4 then point 45 rupees.
45 rupees?
Yes.
adjustable. 25 is 25 rupees would be for 10 eggs, and then 50 would be for 20, and then if you take out 5 rupees, 45. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and then how many children and how many pens can buy? Okay, that is fine.
Do you about this paper?
Yes.
10, 1000. Not 10, 10. Yes, 11, 10, 10.
Currency was okay with you, right?
Yeah.
Yes, you have done the exercises. All right, let's move to that.
And that's Taptari Beli and Bangli. And here I say the Taptar this one. This one you were given. But I feel harder.
So you've done this question so many times. No?
Yeah, I done that one.
So you know by heart.
Yes. But that's then I do that.
No, you know
Okay.
it by heart.
I know that.
Okay. A thin wire contains the longest form into a ray. But is it the most difficult?
No, तब मैं 13 किया था when I was doing it. It was difficult.
Yeah.
But after that, when by
Practicing it.
then I did easy.
That's true. I can understand.
Then you will not find any trick.
There is nothing more difficult.
Yet.
That was the most difficult.
Yeah, that's the one. We can move to smart.
Wait. Not so fast, my dear Gopalji.
I know you have one question.
Can you do this?
What?
This is the words.
How many centimeter is the length of the boundary of the lake A in the drawing? You thread to find out. There may thread you करना पड़ेगा.
तो आपने कैसे किया था?
I do not do that.
I caught you.
That's why I said it is all in this chapter there is most of things are
But
there.
how difficult is to use a thread to find it?
It is difficult. It is
कैसे?
very.
वो क्या बोलते हैं? ईयरफोन नहीं, ईयर स्पीकर क्या बोलते हैं?
Headphone.
हेडफोन थ्रेड you can use. Headphone thread you can
It
use.
is without my name.
Yes, but that right now it's a test going on, so you cannot say laziness, no? You have to attempt. चलिए.
Then okay, I can use. But learn, I do not. I can use लेते can measure. But मुझे थ्रेड से मेजर ही नहीं करने आता. How to measure by the thread?
But that is part of the chapter,
I
right?
try to measure sometime, but I do not measure.
Okay, so I am measuring or you are measuring?
You are measuring. I will tell you how to do that. See how to measure.
वो तो आपने टीचर का देखा होगा वो कैसे करती है.
Teacher do not measure.
तो how they do? ऐसे करते होंगे ना.
Yeah, they do sometimes.
ऐसे. Of course, अगर आपके पास क्या धागा होगा तो धागा is much easier because पतला होता है.
Till there. If you finish, till there. Finish. So, till there I have to hold it. I have to measure from where the tail is hidden. I think. Here is the tail. Outside and middle. Out and middle. Okay. And you hold it next.
And then I will lose the point.
I will. You put it in next.
You want to draw the line, so then you will have it. Then it's easy to calculate.
Yeah.
Where is
This
the
is
chalk?
that is the top. This is the top.
Can you do it in numbers?
Okay. Yeah.
Now you do it.
15 यहाँ तक 15 यहाँ से यहाँ तक फिर 15 यहाँ से यहाँ. It is I can tell it is about It's 46 centimeter long.
46 centimeters.
And 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 46 kilometers long. Which one did it?
Okay, now you can do of B.
Yeah.
अब B का कीजिए.
Give me the don't I can do this. Let me do it. I never use that. And you will, mama, that thing
यहाँ
is
से शुरू करते हो. You have to make sure you start from here so that
out night.
हाँ, you make sure that you start from here. है ना?
I have to measure it properly. That one was easy.
Which one?
That one lazy.
Kitchen.
Lazy.
अच्छा अच्छा. You think so?
Yes.
क्योंकि वो आपने नहीं किया ना. That is why was easy.
Yes. This must be this. This much.
Okay.
Then you draw. There.
So imagine you are on your own. How will you draw it?
Lay the thumb. It was with
Here it is one chop.
then
You can do it vertical. However, it's easier for you. Huh? You see? People did.
no. That's why I cannot do like this. You can do it because it will break and I have to get the fine. Okay. Yes.
It's not very visible. I think it is still there.
Yes.
कीजिए. That. Now do I have it?
Take a take back.
Yes.
20 kilometers.
20. And how much was the other one?
It 46.
Okay. Let's go back to the chapter.
10 area and boundary.
A longer boundary around the lake will help more birds to lay their eggs. So which lake should be kept for birds?
Lazy.
Lake. Alright. Yeah, then now this chapter.
It marked that.
हाँ क्या करना है इसका?
Yeah, the one question I feel difficult.
Hmm?
So that's something I think I did that with. I did this with. After each year, the number of rabbits was increasing. I done this with. At that time I was thinking. When I was doing 10 classes, I was also confused. Because I think they had the 4 of them. When I was at 3, when I complete all the class, they start 10. Then after that, it must not multiply by 2. Multiply, it is 18. Then 18 multiplied by 2 is 32. So then when I see this, so I see a little less than a double number of rabbits in the last year. So when I see, I find it, these all are little less from the multiplication. So then I find it answer.
Okay.
So it was difficult for me.
Okay.
But then I done it.
At the end of year 6, the number of rabbits was close to.
I will tell you, 400.
Okay. And after which year did the number of rabbits cross 1,000?
I think this is the year 8.
8.
Yeah.
We are saying that at the age. Acha, yeah, makes sense. Okay. Logical answers. Oh, I had given you the growth chart last
Yeah, you done.
है ना? Of मूंग और what? किस चीज़ का growth chart मैंने दिया था आपको?
don't know.
Okay. तो ये तो हमारे तो
Oh, yeah, this is that. Like mark that it. This is like mark that.
okay.
After it mark that is way to divide and multiply.
हाँ.
So in that I do, in that I have a question. It is about the dividend. It is a dividend question. It would feel hard for me. Like the question was I can write it. This one was difficult. 9,872 divided by 8.
अच्छा. But now you must be knowing by heart the answer, no?
Not by the heart.
हाँ.
I try, but then I sometimes मैंने कई बार try किया. Sometimes answer wrong, sometimes correct.
Okay.
So
So which one, if you want to? Okay.
That's what is done.
9,872 divided by 8.
So then I end 8, 1, 8, 0, 7, 8, 2, 8, 9, 119.
Eh,
7 multiplied by 119.
72 divided by 8.
119.
1.
1 No, wrong.
Yes. 9, 8. नीचे क्या आया?
8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. Then what? अच्छा मेरा मैं 0 डाल दिया. Division yeah. तो 1 आया. तो ये 1 will come. So 8 था 8. 18. 8 to the 13. 13 था 2. 2 7. फिर 8 3 था 24. 24 आया. फिर था 3. फिर था 7 आया. 2 आया 30. फिर 8 4 था 32. 32 तो 1 2 3 4.
Okay.
The answer.
So why this one was difficult?
Before it was difficult.
Now you know it by heart.
Yeah. Then give any other question.
Of course.
Nal or ED. EDPD. So I can do after some time. I can do tomorrow. Then we do tomorrow. Then we can. Then I will have to do my day.
You have to do your do.
Yes.
You have to do your do now, huh?
Yes.
Didi also.
Yes. Then we continue tomorrow.
Yes, you can.
Yeah. Then I come here.